What's up, guys? We are back with another video for you. And in today's video, we have an excavator that is loading some dump trucks. And this is part 2 of a multi-video project. So stay tuned until the end of the video so you don't miss any of these amazing videos. And as always, if you enjoy the videos, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more similar content. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Here we can see the excavator that will be doing all the loading in this video. It is a huge machine, as you can see, and it's perfect for this kind of work. The excavator is loading material from a pile that is being formed there, and material is being taken from the pile by the excavator and placed inside the dump trucks. The excavator has a big bucket, and as it digs inside the pile, the bucket fills up with material. And then, when the bucket is full, it lifts it up and turns around and dumps the material where it needs to go. The material that they are loading here is mostly dirt, but there might be some other stuff mixed in there as well. But for the most part, it looks like they are just loading dirt into these dump trucks. This is not easy to do, especially for someone who has never done it before, because you have to be very precise with your movements and you have to make sure that you don't spill any of the material that you are loading. Otherwise, it can be very dangerous and it can also cause a lot of damage. You can see how high the pile is already and how much material they have loaded into the dump trucks already. And yet, they still have a lot more to go. You can see that there is still a lot of material left in the pile, and they are just getting started. There are several reasons why companies use excavators to load dump trucks. The first reason is because excavators are very efficient at loading dump trucks. They can do it much faster than any other type of machine. This is because excavators have a very strong arm that they use to grab the material and load it into the dump truck. They also have a very precise control over the bucket that they use to grab the material. They can grab the material very precisely and place it into the dump truck very efficiently. Another reason why companies use excavators to load dump trucks is because they are very versatile. They can be used to load different types of dump trucks with different types of material. For example, they can be used to load large dump trucks with dirt or gravel, or they can be used to load smaller dump trucks with sand or concrete. Another reason why companies use excavators to load dump trucks is because they are very safe. When an excavator is used to load a dump truck, the operator of the excavator has a very good view of the dump truck and the area around the dump truck. This allows the operator to make sure that he is loading the dump truck safely and that he is not putting himself or anyone else in danger. Loading a dump truck with an excavator can be dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. If you're not careful, you could spill the material that you're loading onto the ground, or even worse, you could cause the dump truck to tip over. That's why it's important to have an experienced operator do the job. An experienced operator will know how to safely and efficiently load a dump truck with an excavator. Now, let's talk about how much dirt or material an excavator can load into a dump truck. The size of the excavator and the type of material that is being excavated will affect how much material can be loaded into a dump truck. Generally speaking, however, most excavators can load between 10 and 20 dump trucks per hour. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Let us know in the comments below how many dump trucks you can load with one excavator per day. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Here we can see the excavator placing the last of the material into the dump truck, and then it will take the empty bucket back to the pile and start loading again. This is how it works all day long until all the material is used up. The excavator moves the material from the pile to the dump trucks, and the dump trucks take the material away to be used somewhere else. This is a very important job because the material that is being moved here is going to be used to make roads, buildings, and other structures. So it has to be moved quickly and efficiently. If you're interested in buying an excavator for your company, you should definitely check out the prices of excavators online. You can find excavators of all sizes and price ranges online. So you should be able to find one that fits your budget. There are many benefits to using an excavator to load dump trucks. They are efficient, versatile, and safe. If you're looking for a way to improve your business, then you should definitely consider using an excavator to load dump trucks. In conclusion, using an excavator to load dump trucks is a great way to improve your business. Excavators are efficient, versatile, and safe, making them ideal for businesses that need to move large amounts of material quickly and easily. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Please leave a like if you want to see more videos like this. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We would be happy to help you out. Next, let me show you another video of an excavator that is loading dump trucks. This is a massive excavator that is effortlessly loading dump trucks with dirt. It's mind-blowing to see how much dirt this excavator can move in such a short amount of time. This excavator is like a hungry monster that is constantly in search of more dirt to consume. It is so satisfying to watch the excavator scoop up the dirt and place it precisely into the waiting dump trucks. The precision and accuracy with which it does this is truly impressive. These dump trucks are not just any ordinary dump trucks. They are specifically designed to handle the massive amounts of dirt that this excavator produces. Each dump truck has a huge bed that is capable of holding an enormous amount of dirt. As the excavator continues to dig and load the dump trucks, a small army of workers scurries around to ensure that everything runs smoothly. These workers are responsible for directing the trucks, ensuring that the beds are properly filled, and that everything runs like clockwork. It is amazing to think about the sheer volume of dirt that this excavator can move in a single day. It's like watching a machine from a sci-fi movie come to life and devour dirt for breakfast. Watching the excavator in action brings back memories of a time when I was lucky enough to operate one myself. I remember feeling like a real-life monster truck driver as I maneuvered the machine and scooped up dirt with its massive bucket. It was a thrilling experience that I will never forget. As I watched the excavator in action, I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the sheer power and precision of this amazing machine. It was like watching a ballet dancer perform a perfectly choreographed routine. The sound of the excavator's bucket hitting the dirt is like music to my ears. It has a rhythmic and satisfying sound that lets you know that the machine is working hard to get the job done. As I continued to watch the excavator in action, I couldn't help but feel proud to be a human being capable of creating such an amazing piece of machinery. It is a testament to human ingenuity and hard work that we were able to create something so powerful and efficient. Watching this excavator load dump trucks is a mesmerizing experience. The sheer power and precision of this machine is truly impressive, and it is hard to look away once you see it in action. Whether you're a construction worker, a truck driver, or just someone who appreciates heavy machinery, this video is definitely worth a watch. Here we can see the excavator moving the material from the pile to the dump trucks. The excavator is using its bucket to scoop up the material, and then it is dumping it into the dump trucks. The dump trucks are then taking the material to wherever it needs to go. This is a very efficient way to move material, and it is often used in construction sites and other places where large amounts of material need to be moved. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.